Welcome to the future. Introducing Jeda.ai Alchemy, world's first AI-powered multi-dimensional visual workspace. To get started, simply log in to Jeda.ai and create a new workspace. For starters, doodle a simple flower and a butterfly. Pick the Select tool and select your doodles. Click on the AI icon to enter the AI Alchemy menu. Describe what you want, and select an AI command from the list. Lastly, hit Generate. An astonishing piece of art just from your doodle. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's now upload a note on your workspace. Select it, and you may ask it to describe it using the AI icon. Pick the AI command for mind map and click Generate. Just like that, you can transform your handwritten draft note into a neatly organized digital mind map. Creating mock-like visuals from your UX ideas is another amazing ability of Jeda.ai Alchemy. You only need a quick doodle of your wireframe and ask to transmute. Jeda.ai doesn't stop at that. You can even ask to generate code from your wireframe. And there it is. Your wireframe swiftly translated into usable code. Is there a limit to Jeda.ai's potential? We're yet to find it. With Jeda.ai Alchemy, dare to think the unthinkable, shape the unshapeable, and be unstoppable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to create with confidence in Jeda.ai, where even the sky is not a fair limit.